कृपया यहाँ रुकिए। प्लीज स्टॉप हियर। प्लीज स्टॉप हियर। आपको कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? हाउ डू यू फील? हाउ डू यू फील? मैं उसे समझ सकता हूं। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिम। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिम। ये मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी। क्या तुमने खाना खाया? डिड यू ईट? डिड यू ईट? उसे यहां लाओ। ब्रिंग हिम हियर। ब्रिंग हिम हियर। तुम कहां जा रहे हो? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है। आई डोंट लाइक दिस। आई डोंट लाइक दिस। तुम बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो। यू लुक वेरी नाइस। यू लुक वेरी नाइस। ये कितना समय लेगा? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? मुझे मदद चाहिए। आई नीड हेल्प। आई नीड हेल्प। वो कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? ये बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. मैं तुम्हें समझता हूं। I understand you. I understand you. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? ये बहुत ठंडा है। It's very cold. It's very cold. मैं जा चुका हूं। I have been there. I have been there. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मैं आराम करना चाहता हूं। I want to rest. I want to rest. क्या आप सहमत हैं? Do you agree? Do you agree? तुम बहुत मजेदार हो। You are very funny. You are very funny. आज मौसम अच्छा है। The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? हमें जल्दी करनी चाहिए। We should hurry. We should hurry. वो क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? मैं बस आ रहा हूं। I am just coming. I am just coming. ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करूंगा। I will talk you later. I will talk you later. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? आप यहां से कैसे जाएंगे? How will you go from here? How will you go from here? मुझे ये जगह पसंद है. I like this place. I like this place. तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? मैं खुद से कर सकता हूँ. I can do it myself. I can do it myself. मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मुझे आपसे कुछ कहना है. I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. वो बहुत तेज चलता है. He walks very fast. He walks very fast. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? मुझे इसे वापस करना है. I need to return this. I need to return this. हम कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet? When will we meet? आपकी उम्र क्या है? What is your age? What is your age? ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मैं थोड़ा डरा हुआ हूँ. I am a bit scared. I am a bit scared. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे ये करना होगा. I have to do this. I have to do this. ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. मैं आपको देखकर खुश हूं. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. क्या तुमने अपना काम खत्म किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? यहाँ कौन है? Who is here? Who is here? मैं इसे नहीं खोज सकता. I can't find it. I can't find it. तुम्हें जानकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. तुम्हें वहां जाना होगा. You have to go there. You have to go there. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे ये बताओ. Tell me this. Tell me this. मैं आपकी बात समझता हूँ. I understand your point. I understand your point. वो क्या कह रहा है? What is he saying? What is he saying? मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. I am very pleased. I am very pleased. क्या आपको यहाँ आने में मज़ा आया? Did you enjoy coming here? Did you enjoy coming here? मुझे ये करना अच्छा लगेगा. I would like to do this. I would like to do this. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? वो मेरा दोस्त है. He is my friend. He is my friend. ये कौन सा रास्ता है? Which way is this? Which way is this? तुम क्या पीना चाहते हो? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? इसे साफ कर दो. Clean this up. Clean this up. क्या आप मुझे उधार दे सकते हैं? Can you lend me? Can you lend me? मैं उससे प्यार करता हूँ. I love her. I love her. तुम्हें जल्दी जाना चाहिए. You should go soon. You should go soon. ये बहुत गर्म है. It's very hot. It's very hot. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलोगे? Will you play with me? Will you play with me? तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मैं तुम्हें याद करूँगा. I will miss you. I will miss you. ये कैसे होगा? How will this happen? How will this happen? मुझे इस पर विश्वास है. I believe in this. I believe in this. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलूंगा. I will meet you later. I will meet you later. क्या ये आपका है? Is this yours? Is this yours? मैं वहां नहीं जा सकता. I can't go there. I can't go there. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is very big. This is very big. मुझे और चाहिए. I want more. I want more. तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो. You are doing well. You are doing well. तुम्हें वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए. You shouldn't go there. You shouldn't go there. मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to this. I am used to this. ये कहाँ से आया है? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? मुझे इससे डर लगता है. I am afraid of this. I am afraid of this. मैं तुम्हें फोन करूंगा. I will call you. I will call you. तुम कितनी देर तक यहां रहोगे? How long will you be here? How long will you be here? मुझे यहां अच्छा लगता है. I like being here. I like being here. क्या तुम मुझसे खुश हो? Are you happy with me? Are you happy with me? मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा. I will tell you. I will tell you. ये बहुत दूर है. This is very far. This is very far. आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. ये मेरा काम नहीं है. This is not my job. This is not my job. वो मुझसे बड़ा है. He is older than me. He is older than me. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? मुझे ये सुनना पसंद है. I like to hear this. I like to hear this. तुम्हें वहां जाना होगा. You have to go there. You have to go there. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे ये बताओ. Tell me this. Tell me this. मैं आपकी बात समझता हूं. I understand your point. I understand your point. वो क्या कह रहा है? What is he saying? What is he saying? मैं बहुत खुश हुई. I am very pleased. I am very pleased. क्या आपको यहां आने में मजा आया? Did you enjoy coming here? Did you enjoy coming here? मुझे ये करना अच्छा लगेगा. I would like to do this. I would like to do this. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? वो मेरा दोस्त है. He is my friend. He is my friend. ये कौन सा रास्ता है? Which way is this? Which way is this? तुम क्या पीना चाहते हो? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? इसे साफ कर दो. Clean this up. Clean this up. क्या आप मुझे उधार दे सकते हो? Can you lend me? Can you lend me? मैं उससे प्यार करता हूं. I love her. I love her. तुम्हें जल्दी जाना चाहिए. You should go soon. You should go soon. ये बहुत गर्म है. It's very hot. It's very hot. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलोगे? Will you play with me? Will you play? क्या तुम्हें मदद चाहिए? Do you need help? Do you need help? मैं समझ गया. I understood. I understood. क्या तुम सहमत हो? Do you agree? Do you agree? ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. मुझे थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. I am a little scared. I am a little scared. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is very big. This is very big. क्या तुम्हें ये मिला? Did you find this? Did you find this? मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए. I need some rest. I need some rest. ये बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? मुझे वो चाहिए. I want that. I want that. ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मैं यहाँ नया हूँ. I am new here. I am new here. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. ये रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मुझे उम्मीद है कि तुम ठीक हो. I hope you are fine. I hope you are fine. ये मेरा पसंदीदा है. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. मैं तैयार हूँ. I am ready. I am ready. ये बहुत दूर है. This is very far. This is very far. मुझे इस पर गर्व है. I am proud of this. I am proud of this. क्या तुम्हारा दिन अच्छा रहा? Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? ये बहुत ठंडा है. This is very cold. This is very cold. मैं इसे समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand this. I can understand this. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मुझे इस पर विश्वास है. I believe in this. I believe in this. ये कितना समय लेगा? How long will this take? How long will this take? मैं थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ. I am a bit busy. I am a bit busy. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे ये समझना होगा. I need to understand this. I need to understand this. ये बहुत छोटा है. This is very small. This is very small. क्या तुम्हें अच्छा लगा? Did you like it? Did you like it? मैं तुम्हें सुन सकता हूँ. I can hear you. I can hear you. ये मेरे लिए कठिन है. This is difficult for me. This is difficult for me. क्या ये खुला है? Is this open? Is this open? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? मैं ये नहीं खरीद सकता. I cannot buy this. I cannot buy this. क्या तुम्हें वो पसंद आया? Did you like that? Did you like that? ये बहुत गर्म है. This is very hot. This is very hot. मैं जल्दी में हूँ. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. ये सब मेरे लिए नया है. All of this is new to me. All of this is new to me. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? मुझे अभी जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. ये बहुत लंबा है. This is very long. This is very long. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help? Can you help? मैं इसे देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to see this. I want to see this. क्या ये दर्दनाक है? Is this painful? Is this painful? ये बहुत खूबसूरत है. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. मुझे इसकी आदत डालनी होगी. I will have to get used to this. I will have to get used to this. क्या तुम्हें ये सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you hear this? Can you hear this? मुझे अधिक जानकारी चाहिए. I need more information. I need more information. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा है. This is too big for me. This is too big for me. क्या तुम इंतजार कर सकते हो? Can you wait? Can you wait? मैं इसे खोज रहा हूं. I am looking for this. I am looking for this. ये कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? मुझे शांति चाहिए. I need peace. I need peace. क्या ये सुरक्षित है? Is this safe? Is this safe? मैं इसे नहीं समझता. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. ये रंग मुझे पसंद है. I like this color. I like this color. मुझे इसे बदलने की ज़रूरत है. I need to change this. I need to change this. क्या ये बहुत जल्दी है? Is this too early? Is this too early? ये मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. This always happens to me. This always happens to me. मैं निराश हूं. I am disappointed. I am disappointed. ये कितना वजनी है? How heavy is this? How heavy is this? क्या तुम्हें ये समझ में आया? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? मुझे ये खत्म करना है. I have to finish this. I have to finish this. ये रोचक लगता है. This seems interesting. This seems interesting. मैं इससे खुश नहीं हूं. I am not happy with this. I am not happy with this. ये बहुत तेज है. This is very fast. This is very fast. मुझे इसे सुलझाना होगा. I need to solve this. I need to solve this. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? ये वाकई में मज़ेदार है. This is really fun. This is really fun. मुझे इसकी आवश्यकता है. I need this. I need this. ये काफी चुनौतीपूर्ण है. This is quite challenging. This is quite challenging. क्या तुम्हें ये पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? मैं इस पर विचार कर रहा हूं. I am thinking about this. I am thinking about this. ये बहुत शांत है. This is very quiet. This is very quiet. मुझे बस थोड़ा सा समय चाहिए. I just need a little time. I just need a little time. क्या ये दूर है? Is this far? Is this far? मैं इसे आजमाना चाहता हूं. I want to try this. I want to try this. ये बहुत मुश्किल है. This is very tough. This is very tough. मुझे विश्वास है कि तुम कर सकते हो. I believe you can do it. I believe you can do it. ये बहुत जरूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे लगता है कि ये सही है. I think this is right. I think this is right. क्या ये खुला है? Is this open? Is this open? मुझे ये जानना होगा. I need to know this. I need to know this. ये बहुत वजनी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. मैं ये कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget this. I will never forget this. ये बहुत उपयोगी है. This is very useful. This is very useful. क्या ये सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मुझे ये सीखना होगा. I need to learn this. I need to learn this. ये बहुत उबाऊ है. This is very boring. This is very boring. मुझे इस पर विचार करने की जरूरत है. I need to think about this. I need to think about this. क्या ये ठीक रहेगा? Will this be okay? Will this be okay? मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. I like this. I like this. ये कैसे संभव है? How is this possible? How is this possible? मुझे और जानना है. I want to know more. I want to know more. ये बहुत आरामदायक है. This is very comfortable. This is very comfortable. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? मुझे इसे स्वीकार करना होगा. I have to accept this. I have to accept this. ये बहुत हल्का है. This is very light. This is very light. मैं यहाँ पहली बार आया हूँ. It's my first time here. It's my first time here. क्या तुम्हें ये समझ में आया? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? मुझे ये चुनना होगा. I have to choose this. I have to choose this. ये बहुत स्थिर है. This is very stable. This is very stable. क्या ये आसान है? Is this easy? Is this easy? मैं इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. ये मुझे चिंतित करता है. This worries me. This worries me. मुझे इसे दोबारा करना होगा. I have to do this again. I have to do this again. ये किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? क्या ये बहुत गर्म है? Is this too hot? Is this too hot? मैं ये समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. I am trying to understand this. I am trying to understand this. ये बहुत अजीब है. This is very strange. This is very strange. क्या तुम ये कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? मैं यहां रुकना चाहता हूं. I want to stay here. I want to stay here. ये बहुत खुशबूदार है. This is very fragrant. This is very fragrant. मुझे अब चलना चाहिए. I should leave now. I should leave now. क्या ये समय पर होगा? Will this be on time? Will this be on time? ये बहुत कठिन प्रश्न है. This is a very tough question. This is a very tough question.
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.